The weight's on the front leg. The left leg comes parallel. Now, this front foot should be more, it's going to be slightly off center, diagonal. Ward off, turn the waist, and the toe will follow till it's also parallel. Feet are shoulder width and a half, and parallel or slightly, even very slightly toed in. And again, we're just closing the waist. From here, this hand moves to the center and then out. Here, changes value. So essentially we have 1, 2, 3. The hands are always moving on the center line with the weight shift. So the weight's moving, 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 keep moving, and now it's in this leg. And again, hands on the center, not like this. Also, not like this. Wrong arm. Slightly out of sync again. Now, first place your foot. Now, arms move on the center line. Center line. This center of each palm crossing over. Turn. No. Yeah. There must be a gap. These two hands are not under each other. This is ward off and this is preparing to ward off. Foot. Keep the hands on the center line. Turn the waist. This more. This must be curved, and this must be curved. Okay, good.